Welcome to Mommy's a Chef, and my name is Heidi, and today I want to create a box full of your Thanksgiving fixins for on a budget. And this is for people who don't coupon. I coupon. I'm pretty good at it, but I know it's kind of like labor intensive. I mean, once you get it, it's pretty easy, and you can get a lot of really good deals. The other day we went to the supermarket with my kids, and this cashier boy opened a register for me. And then he charged me when I came to pay. I put in my number, and he's like, "Oh my god!" And I'm like, "I'm sorry, you opened a register for me, and you didn't make money with it." Fit Frugal Mom posted a video on how to do a free one with an app. I call it Ibotta. I don't have that app, but so I went to Aldi and I purchased all these things. I mean, this is massive, and I'm not gonna tell you how much I spent until the end of the video. I was shocked because I mean I could have gotten pretty close to free with coupons, but this was pretty good for all these things. And I added more things, like they asked for 2 boxes of macaroni and cheese. I added 2, and 2 mashed potatoes, and I added 2 as well. So there's everything that you need in there except for the turkey. I know if you could shop locally, and actually that Ibotta app, you can get a free turkey. So you just have to look around. But this is for people that don't like to coupon, and you're feeling charitable. You can drop it off to a neighbor, elderly person, and anybody that you think that might need it. Oh, also the Boys and Girls Club. I'm also gonna list the grocery list to give you some ideas and some starting point that for boxes that you want to create and give away. Also, I'm gonna link Frugal Fit Mom's video, so if you want to get it just for free and use that app, she teaches you how to do it. So if you want to do that as well. So my daughter just mentioned to me they're trying to break a record of over 600 boxes, so we're trying to accumulate as many as possible. And you know, right now volunteering is kind of hard, and I usually do volunteer a lot, and even my daughter's having a hard time finding volunteer opportunities. But this is a great way if you only have like a monetary way of helping out. I'm sure it would be super appreciated from everyone. Okay, so I'll show you around. Okay, so I'm at Aldi and I'm assembling 2 boxes for local charities, so for Thanksgiving. So they asked for gravy, macaroni and cheese, and mainly whatever goes in the Thanksgiving dinner. So I'm gonna start gathering the stuff. Hopefully I find everything. Stuffing, and mac and cheese is only like 34 cents. Oh, they asked for mashed potatoes too, so I'm gonna get 2 of those. Okay, so they want green beans and corn. I think they want cream corn, so I'm gonna get 2 cans of yams, but they only have this one, so I'm just gonna get 1. They want pasta sauce, but they don't want it in a glass because it could break. Oh wait, this one's good because it's plastic. And they want some pasta. I have some at home, but I'm just gonna grab it here. They want 2 pounds. Oh, is that 3 pounds? I don't know if they're specific. Maybe I'll buy it somewhere else. They want 1 pouch of egg noodle soup and dry. And they want vanilla pudding or chocolate pudding. I couldn't find it. I finally found that this one, I'm not gonna do sugar free because it's like all chemicals, but this one seems good. I found 1. Okay, all I'm missing is the rice. I don't know if I should get it here because it might be a weight issue, but I don't think so, because 2 pounds and 3 pounds is not a big of a difference, and more food the better, right? Well, I'm gonna get these cheap ones for the kids. Yeah, I'm just gonna get this one. I don't think they will mind. Hopefully they don't. I don't know. People are kind of by the book all the time. It's kind of annoying. That milk is for another charity thing, but that's for my daughter's school. We have to make pancakes. Okay, so this is just 1 box. I put 2 boxes of cornbread stuffing and 4 boxes of macaroni and cheese, so a little bit more than they asked for, and 2 bags of mashed potatoes instead of 1. 1 of the soup meat mix or whatever. I think they asked only 1 for this. Well, I only found 1, and then they do 4 boxes. Yeah, 4 boxes, the canned stuff, and guess what the total was for just 1. Oh, and then 2 things of they asked for 1, but I've added 2 because it goes with the stuffing, you know. It was only $16. All this. Oh, and the rice. So for 1 box is $16 at Aldi.
Yeah, and it looks pretty substantial for a Thanksgiving dinner.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and try to help out, you know, even if it's like half the box or whatever, going with somebody else, but it's pretty inexpensive. $16, it can go really far. Try to subscribe, just try to give a little, you know. Okay, see you guys later. Thank you for watching. Bye.